Hey guys, welcome to Fine Lifestyle. We are the faces behind this channel and we actually give you all the content you see right here. My name is John and this is my good friend Johnny, and he helps me assist all the BTS, all the vlogs you're going to see from now on. And actually I'm the one who is behind the camera, always shooting those shots that you always like to see and stuff. Right now we are actually going to be doing a lot more vlogging and a lot more behind the scene action of what we actually do throughout our shoots. And my friend Johnny here is going to be the one in charge of all of that.
I'm manning it, so if it looks terrible, sorry in advance.
He's an aspiring filmmaker as well, so hopefully you'll be able to see some good content from us. I know my content has been kind of like on and off recently, but
the purpose of these behind the scenes and vlogs for you guys is to see what really goes on while we're shooting. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's very serious, sometimes there are moments where shit goes crazy, and you know, sometimes we don't have time to capture it on camera or all that stuff. So this time, since it's going to be two of us manning it and he's going to be focusing on doing the car shoot, I'll have enough power to like do anything behind the scenes with anything that has to do with the car. Even like a slight moment, if I get to interview the owner of the car a little bit, that'll be a little bit into there, so you guys know what the owner is, get a little in touch with them, a little like closer to the car itself, and understand why we do this and the message behind it. So hopefully you guys like it, and yeah, and if you guys have any suggestions at all, please leave it in the description. If you guys have any questions, whether if you guys want us to try something or do something on the BTS vlogs, feel free to put in the comments down below. We will be more than happy to take into consideration and make it happen for you guys.
let us know. Alright, now back to the vlog. Those are some pretty loud bugs, aren't they? Hey guys, we're looking for locations today, and if you know this place, you know. If you don't, kind of keep it secret. Today, me and Johnny are actually gonna go out and look for some locations to shoot at for my future series that I have for this channel. So today, me and Johnny are gonna be looking for locations and seeing other places that we could go shoot cars and like different unique locations. Unfortunately, I do prefer to have back roads for my shots. I don't like to be like in urban areas. I don't like being like with other cars and stuff, but I prefer the car just being by itself. So today we're gonna be looking for some places that we could do that. So let's get it. All right, dude, you ready to go looking for some locations?
Let's do it.
Nice little overhang of trees over here. Whoa. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'm thinking about flying the drone around this area because it's very scenic and very beautiful around here. There's a huge reservoir in the middle of the area. You got some S-turns around, and yeah, I don't think it'd be too much of a problem, but you gotta just keep it really low key. What do you think?
Let's do it.
All right, man. Is that what you say? Let's do it.
Let's do it. About to get fined $2,000 and shit.
What were you saying?
I think it would be really good if we put the car facing like slanted, pointing this way. We get that backdrop. We can do this one, but that one looks a lot better because it goes far.
What I actually was thinking was that you go park the car like on the side too.
Yeah,
like over there. But I don't know
if it's dried up.
If it's dried up, like I don't know if you can see over there, but there's a little puddle over there.
Little
puddle. That's the ocean, man.
That's the ocean.
So I'm thinking like maybe putting the car back here too, parking right next to the train track, and then getting some nice shots around here. But that also depends if you don't get the train. I don't know, this accident. This way. Oh, dude. What are we doing? What are we doing? Johnny, be safe, my boy. Be safe. Are you okay, Johnny? That's never happened to me before, and I live right next to a train station, so. You good, Johnny? Are you alive? We got separated.
I don't know. We were just here. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, so that's one thing we need to keep in mind, is that these trains are actually active.
Yeah, they're very active, and that they came pretty damn quick too when it started ringing.
I mean, at least it wasn't like that big cargo train, you know.
So I guess like
passenger.
if we do a shot of the car on the track right here, we have to make every second count.
Really quick, right?
Yeah, and then when we go over here, we can take our time.
Yeah, that also depends on if that is not there, because if that's there, then I don't think we could park it there. Okay, so it looks like it's not too deep in here, but the other thing is I don't want to have him park the car in here and get it dirty, because our next shoot is a little special one. It's been on the channel before, but it's a pretty rare car, and I'll give you one hint that it's white, so we don't want to have a white car all dirty again, right?
Yeah, RX-7 is really nice. So.
Oh, hey, I'm gonna bleep that out.
Oh.
You're not supposed to know that.
Oh, sorry.
Not supposed to know that.
I'm sorry.
So if anything else goes wrong though, we have that one location right there.
Yeah,
so over there,
nice, yeah, with
all the trees inside. So let's go over there real quick. This is the other location we were gonna use, in this little meadow area between the train tracks and the tree line. What I like to do on my car shoots, I like to have like 2 or 3 different locations for my shoot, so that you have a variety of different shots in different locations. And sorry if it's a little windy right now, but I was thinking about having the car parked like in here, maybe some way or another, and then having the car parked over there right across the little bushes where the train tracks are. And if anything, I could have the car like parked in this little dirt lot too.
It looks nice. I like it. This looks nice. You can do some metal shots on the side. Yeah. Onward. we scouted this place like weeks ago, and we liked it, and we're supposed to use this for another car shoot, but we settled on another location for the other car shoot because it looks a lot nicer. So this one is for the one that we're gonna work on now.
A little tip for you guys who aren't able to have the luxury of like scouting it whenever you want is that a good tool to use is actually Google Maps on satellite view. So if you want to look for like different places to shoot at, I recommend just going on Google Maps, looking for locations through that. You see exactly the same thing, except you're not physically there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for roads to do rolling shots, and there's actually quite a few around here that I actually want to go visit. So I think me and John are about to head out real quick, go look for some new rolling shot areas. So let's get it. Why are you mashing?
Listen, I came to your house, so you had time to change, okay?
What's all this acid?
Alright guys, well that's a wrap for today on our first vlog. Like we said earlier, we don't normally do this sort of stuff. We usually just film, let you guys see the end product, and don't let you guys see any of the boring bits or anything that goes on behind the scenes. But this time we're going to try something different and let you guys in on how we do things personally, and the struggles, the frustrations doing the shots, and maybe sometimes they're inconvenience, and sometimes there's cool things that happen behind the scenes. But whether it's good or bad, we will film and show all of it for you guys to see how it's really done. Most people just see, wow, that shit looks so dope, but they really don't see the sweat and tears that goes behind the whole project and stuff like that. So that's what we're trying to do here for this channel, put it on the main channel for you guys. If you guys have any suggestions at all, please leave it in the comments down below. We'd be more than happy to take it into consideration and do it for the next BTS or any other content that you guys want to see. Besides doing BTS vlogs, if there's something else that you guys want us to try or do, feel free to say that in the comments down below. We'll do it. So,
alright, cool. That is it.
That's it, guys. See you guys
next time. By the time you see this, we're gonna be shooting our next film, and hopefully it'll look really cool, and we'll take you along with us for that next time. So see you guys next time.
Peace. I do the same thing with Louis with the piece. We say it at the same time.